My name is Louise M., and today is 11/9, the same day of this event. I'm an 18-year-old male teenager, and I live in a city called Belém, capital of a Brazilian state. English is not my first language, so pardon me if I make a mistake. At 4:53 a.m., I woke up. I was having a great dream and everything. As soon as I looked at my watch, I got sad and angry because I had to wake up at 5:50. I got to bed again and tried to force myself to sleep. But then I heard something strange. I heard a noise coming from my window. It was a strange noise, like when you scratch an iron tool on a wall, or like someone sharpening a knife. Still, I found it weird because I live on the second floor of a house and couldn't be an animal, as the first thing I thought of was that. So I gathered the courage to find out what it was. In the corner of my window, there's a hole, so I decided to peek through it. I pulled my curtains only a bit, just enough to see through the hole. And then, my heart dropped as I saw a hand of a person holding onto the wall outside the house. When I pulled my curtains to peek, I made a little noise, and the scratching stopped. I got up and got out of my room. There's an old BB gun in the other bedroom of my house, so I got that, trying to make as little noise as possible. I made it to the bathroom and called my brother, who is a cop, as I live with my grandfathers and didn't want to wake them up. My brother said to check again and see if there was really someone there. From the other room of my house, you can see the window of my bedroom. So I opened up the other room's window, and I was relieved. I didn't see anyone. My heart started to slow down as I was filled with adrenaline before. I told my brother there was no one, and he went back to sleep. I still think about that. My brother told me it could be a spirit, as our family has a history with this supernatural thing. It could be true. It was dark, and because I just woke up, I could have imagined things. Still, there are 3 things that make me uncomfortable. Number 1, I'm not a person who wakes up lazy or sloth-like. I wake up ready because I used to train as soon as I awoke, as I am an athlete. Number 2 is that I never heard a noise like that before. I can't describe it. It was like someone was trying to open the lock of the window with a knife or something metal. Number 3, it was very convenient that the noise stopped when I moved the curtain. Anyway, I think the scariest thing about this event today is that it wasn't clearly a ghost or anything unnatural. I was just afraid of why a person was breaking in my house, because sometimes it isn't just a robbery. There are bad and scary people in this world. I just thank God, because everything is fine now. But still, I wonder, what would have happened if I didn't wake up that night?